This is the Unistellar Odyssey smart telescope. It's one of the best smart telescopes on the market. If you don't know what a smart telescope is, it's a telescoping camera in one device, all operated from your smartphone. It scans the night sky, asks you what you want to see, goes to it, that galaxy, that planet, whatever. It takes a photo of it and sends it to your phone. It's a pretty amazing bit of gear. There are a few different smart telescopes on the market, but this is one of the best ones. I'll quickly run through why. So I could probably name 5 pros about it. Firstly, it's ridiculously easy to use. So I've used quite a few different smart telescopes. I'd say the Unistellar models are the slickest. It's ridiculously easy to set up. So the tripod, super sturdy. You just slot it on top and you press the on button essentially, and you're basically set up. So setup's easy, packing up's easy. Using it is also incredibly slick. So you download the app to your phone, you connect via Wi-Fi, and then it's just a press of a button. What do you want to see? How do you get there? Take the photo, you start seeing the image built on your phone. You can stay focused on that galaxy or whatever it is you're looking at for 20 seconds or 2 hours, and the image gets better and better the longer you stay focused on it as it gathers the light and creates that image. The other thing in terms of ease of use is that it doesn't require what's called collimation. So Unistellar also has a couple of other products that are called the Evscope 2 and the Equinox 2. Now they're slightly higher spec in terms of the telescope aperture and the camera resolution, but they're harder to use because they require this process of manual adjustment called collimation. Now, it's not that hard to do, and there are online tutorials you can follow, but it is still a bit of a barrier if you've not done that before and you want a grab and go telescope that you can just pick up, take into your backyard or your balcony or whatever, and just start using at any point and not have to relearn the process. So that's a big thing if you're not an experienced telescope user. So the images it produces are impressive. They come straight to your phone, and the longer you stay focused on them, the better those images will be. If you want to take it to the next level with your imaging, you can download the raw data of the images straight to your laptop or whatever, and you can process that in advanced software like Photoshop or whatever, and you can develop it in even more, but you don't have to. If you just do it to your phone, it's automatically processed within the app and sent to your phone. The other cool thing about unistellar telescopes, smart telescopes, is you can join in citizen astronomy projects. So you can essentially help look for exoplanets or comets and ongoing astronomical projects. You can contribute to them through the app and take part in them, and it's pretty cool, especially if you're interested in science or for a younger person to get into. Lastly, I would say it looks amazing. So it's a really good looking piece of gear to have around your house. If that's important to you to have on display, then it's definitely something that you want to factor in. On the downsides, I'd say the astrophotography imaging is impressive, but you're not going to win any astrophotography awards with the images that come from this. It's not going to compete with advanced custom setups that people have, or like remote giant telescopes. It's more for fun and for the experience. Like I said, you could work on that, take very long exposures and develop it yourself with the raw data, so there is scope there, but don't have expectations too high. I'd also say it's one of the lightest smart telescopes, but it's still reasonably heavy. If you were going to walk with it and take it out, you would probably need to buy the additional backpack that you can get, so that's something to consider. If you just wanted to chuck it in the back of a car though, it does pack up really securely with the box that it comes in, and so that's nice and safe, just if you wanted to walk with it or take it out. The other, I guess, a con is there is a sister product called the Amazon Odyssey Pro, and that has an eyepiece. So you can essentially look through that the eyepiece is the same digital image that you're seeing on your phone. So it's not a real eyepiece in a sense of a regular telescope. It's a digital image you're seeing. That is quite a cool feature, but the eyepiece makes the Odysssey Pro more expensive and the Odysssey cheaper. So if that's important to you and you've got the budget, then you might want to go for the Odysssey Pro. If it's less important to you and you more want to do the imaging or you don't have the budget, then the Odysssey is great for you. So overall, highly recommended, extremely easy to use, produces great results within minutes.